Okay, let's look at Shopify's new rollouts feature. This is something that lets you do some A/B testing for different themes. You can schedule changes for your site, maybe if you're doing a sale, or maybe if you want to see which page looks better, the traditional kind of A/B testing. So you can now do it with Shopify Rollouts. You can find the Shopify Rollouts under the Markets section here. Go to Markets, you click here where it says Rollouts, and you'll get this rollout screen. So let's create our first rollout. You're going to hit create, and then you're going to name the rollout so you can see whatever it is that you want it to be. For this particular one, why don't we maybe just do like an A/B test? Maybe we want to try 2 different homepages or something like that. So we'll call this homepage A/B test. Okay. So the next thing you got to do here is say, okay, well, what is it you want to do? And you click here to add whatever change you want to this new rollout. So I'm going to click on this, and you have a couple of choices here, right? You can change the online store theme, or this, which is one of the new features where you can actually change something on the checkout page or the account page. We'll do this one later, but for now, let's go back and actually do something where we're going to change the online store theme. And when you click on this, right, it's going to say, hey, this is the theme that I'm currently using now. What edits do you want to make to this theme? So it's basically going to take your live published theme, and it's going to say, what edits do you want to have? Now it's going to take me into my store editor. And if you've used Shopify editor before, this should look pretty familiar to you before, right? I've got this homepage. I've got this as my current store that I've got. That's my live theme. So any edits I make in this particular theme, you'll see here, this is the A/B draft, is going to show as my separate store. So let's just do something really obvious here so we can see, right? So this is going to be, we'll call this the other product theme. So I'm just doing something that's really blatantly obvious. So you can see here, right? This is the other product theme that I made as part of this A/B test that I've got here. So if I hit save, I'm now saved with this particular one here. I can now click this exit link here, and it's going to take me back to the rollout section. And so now you can see here's the A/B test that I've created. You can see here that it's going to say you've got this theme, right? This is the store that I have today, and this is the change that I made, right? I went into Dawn and I made this particular change. So now you have to decide how you're going to take the A/B test and how much traffic's going to go to one, how much traffic's going to go to the other, right? And the first obvious thing you've got is this here, right? This little selector is going to say, okay, well, how many people do you want to have between these two? So if I did something like a 50-50, right? And I scroll down here, you can see that it's basically saying, okay, this is the control, right? This is the initial theme, and this is the new one here, and I'm splitting it 50-50. So Shopify is going to take the traffic coming to the site and automatically split it 50-50 for you. So that's the most simple thing that you can do. If you want to weigh it heavier on something, right? Maybe you could say, well, there's kind of a big change here. I don't want as many people to see this. So I want most of the people to go here, but just trickle it down a little bit here, 33%. So you can tune this, right? You can adjust this. And of course, you can use a little slider here to adjust that you want, however you want. Maybe you just want to do a really small test and not everybody to see it. You want only 10% of the traffic to go. You can split it 10% for the new, 90% for the old. Most A/B tests work pretty good if you just kind of 50-50 it. So if it's not something too sensitive and you're just trying something out, I would suggest doing a 50-50. So that's the first thing you're going to do here, right? We're going to say I've got this theme set up here. I've got the second change that I want to do here. I want to split it 50-50. So now there's a couple other things you want to do. Maybe you want to schedule the date. So you can see here, this is going to experiment launch this theme on, and we're going to start, right? So what is the selected date where you want to start this particular 50-50 change? And then down here, what do you want to do for the end date, right? When do you want to switch it back? So you can say, hey, maybe I want it to start next week. Let's say I want to start it on the first of the week, the 21st, and then I want to end it here at the end of the week on the 27th. So this will give me 1 full week of testing where the traffic coming to the site is going to go half to this theme, it's going to go half to this other theme, and then on the 27th, you can see here that it's going to roll back to 0%. In other words, it's going to roll back to everything going here. Now, of course, you can do this, right? You can say, okay, well, after a week, I want to go ahead and apply it automatically. Maybe you just want to test it and see. If you're doing an A/B test, your best bet is going to be this, saying, hey, I'm going to roll it back, and this is the default, roll it back to the 0%, which basically means this guy. I'm taking this treatment and rolling everything back here, so you get a week's worth. You get from this date to this date, and you get a week where the traffic is going to go half here, half there. If you're adventurous and you say, you know what, I just want to apply it automatically, you could certainly do this. So after a week, or after your end date, of course, it goes back to this permanent. But again, for safety's sake, to gather data, I would suggest putting it here to the 0%. And so that's the basic in terms of this is the control theme, right? Your original theme. This is the edit theme that you've got here. You've got the ability here to have the start date. You have the ability here to have the end date and what you want to do for rolling it back. And it's telling you here, right? We're going to launch this to all your visitors coming to the site, right? It's going to take 100% of your traffic and send it here. Now, this is a test store, of course, so I don't have very many visitors here, but if you had however many visitors you have, this little slider can potentially let you know what this is looking like. So maybe you don't want to roll this out to all 100% of the visitors to your site. Maybe you only want to take half of the people to your site, and of those half of the people, half of them get this slider here, where we do 50-50. So not only can you choose how many people are going to do this A/B test, you can also decide to say, well, how many of my total traffic here? And it's usually best to do your full traffic. Again, this is a demo store, so I don't have that many, but this will show you roughly how many people are going to be affected by your A/B test. So this is a good thing to check out. So this is an A/B test. It's telling you here, this is the start, this is the end date, this is what happens at the end, this is the change that you made. You'll also notice here that there's this little drop down thing here, right? And so it's going to tell you what's happening here in this particular theme. And it's also going to click here and show you what's happening with this particular theme in terms of what's happening. Now, one thing, we'll start basic here. Okay, so you've got these two settings. If you ever at any point in time maybe want to change, you can always click on this and edit again if you want to do it. Or maybe you want to replace the theme entirely, right? What if you decided, you know what, I don't want to just make an edit to my existing theme. I want to do something completely different. I could actually click this and do something completely different here and put in an entirely different theme if I had a different theme in my store. So you do have the ability here to get really kind of fancy in terms of what it is that you want to do. So for now, let's go ahead and hit save. So we have this saved and we see that we've got this scheduled here. So if I click back into my rollouts area, you'll see that I've got this A/B test that I've set up before. It's scheduled, means it's ready to go. So starting next Sunday here on the 21st, it's going to run for a week. It's going to be applied to all of my markets, right? Because this is part of your markets, right? So I'm just going to use my regular markets, and I've got customization to the online store, and all 100% of my traffic is being allocated to that.